Hello, my name is Jose Garza, and I'm a water industrials and infrastructure analyst at Gabelli & Company. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about water investing. The global water market is approximately $600 billion. This is split roughly evenly between equipment and services and end users. Secular growth in the water sector will be driven by population growth and increasing water intensity. Water is fundamental to human needs, from the needs of the individual to needs for agricultural and industrial production. Importantly, the middle class globally is set to nearly triple by 2030 to nearly 5 billion people. This growing middle class will increase global water intensity as they seek products that require additional energy in the manufacturing process or more protein-rich food. According to the WHO, water scarcity already affects 1 in 3 people in the world, and almost 1/5 of the world's population lives in an area where water is physically scarce. A tool in fighting this water need will be increased efficiency within the infrastructure itself. Therefore, we recommend that investors focus on companies that possess leading positions in high technology applications that promote efficiency and safety. There are any number of companies that serve the water industry in which we follow, such as pump manufacturers, Xylem, Gorman-Rupp, Pentair, and Franklin Electric, meter manufacturers such as Badger Meter, Roper, and Itron, irrigation companies such as Lindsay and Valmont, valve manufacturers such as Mueller Water, Rexnord, and Watts Water, and even their channels of distribution such as Ferguson and HD Supply. Over the past year, there have been several large transactions to focus more heavily on water, in particular Suez's acquisition of GE Water and Pentair's decision to split its company. We believe companies increasingly understand the significance of serving the water market and expect similar decisions to continue going forward.